Oh yeah, dishwasher leaves a lot to be desired. Dishwasher leaves a lot to be desired, but it still works somewhat. I mean, it's better than nothing. Better than nothing. I just hate having the dirty dishes on the counter, so even if the dishwasher's not perfect, even if I can just put the dishes in the dishwasher and wash them from the dishwasher just so they're out of the way, you know, that's okay too. So they're all out of the way and I can just wash dishes as I need them. You know what I mean? Speaking of which, I need to get my mom a dish strainer. I tried a couple places and they didn't have it. I have to know exactly what size to get that will fit. But she just puts her dishes on her counter, and that doesn't always work so well because, you know, it can get, if you don't let your dishes dry, like I found dishes in her cabinet that she hadn't let dry but had put away, and they just piled on top of each other. You know what happens then? We had like mold can form or whatever. It was gross. And I said, Mom, you cannot put these dishes away without them being dry. Because they look at this, and I showed it to her, it's all gross. So, no, it's kind of a delicate balancing act. I have to. Because she washes her dishes and then they just pile up on the countertop. But if you don't, that's alright, but if you put them away wet, you know. figure something out. Gone to different places. To the dollar store, and they didn't have them. I've also gone to other places that are more, have all different prices for things, and they didn't have any dish drainers either. I'm sure Target would have them, but I didn't check Target. Just trying to see if I could get cheap ones. Apparently there are places, I think even dollar stores sometimes might sell them. Or maybe not dollar stores, I don't know. Some dollar stores aren't real dollar stores. There are things that are not just $1. But I think I went to one of those places, not around here. And they said, yeah, I've seen them before, but then we don't have them now. I'm like, well, that doesn't help me. Doesn't help me if you've seen them before, but you don't have them now. I need something now for my mom. And then, of course, she kept winding up in either a mental hospital, a regular hospital, or both, or one to the other. And then she stayed here for like a month total. Not all at once, but she came here to recuperate from one thing, and then was only here a couple weeks before she had that gallbladder thing, and then she came back here, so. I hadn't really been thinking about her not having a dish drainer until I go and visit her, and I experience her not having a dish drainer, you know what I mean? I wash dishes when I cook, and then I have the dishes piling up on the countertop. So I really need to get her a dish drainer somewhere, somehow. Somewhere, somehow.